Hello, welcome back to my channel. For today's course, we are going to run our pipeline and use AI to fix vulnerabilities. As you can see here, we have built our Docker image, we have the static code analysis, vulnerability scanning, and AI vulnerability remediation. So this script will propose you fix for your vulnerabilities, and you just have to review and accept so it goes to your production. Let's open our request. You have your files, you have proposition here. The only job that you have to do is just to approve the fix for your vulnerabilities. So once you approve, you can see here AI proposed fix for detected vulnerabilities are okay. Now your pipeline has no vulnerabilities, can go to your production. It takes time to produce such kind of content. I hope you are going to enjoy that lesson, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and let's start. So if you want the same project, you can just click to the link below I put in the description. You clone it to your DevOps organization. Your first step will be to create your API key. For it, you go to console. We are going to use Claude for it, Claude AI. This is my interface. If you don't have any credit, you can just charge like $1 or $2 or $5. You will get some credit here, and then you come to get API key. You can create one here. This is my name. You just put something okay that you will remember. Charles API key. This is, and then the phone, then go to create. So once you have created your API key, you should save it somewhere, save like your Azure keyboard, because we are going to use that API key later. The second step will be to create your personal access token. For that, we will go to our organization. You can just open ixdev.azure.com. So if you have cloned the project, you of course have created your organization. So you log into your organization, here hospital management, and you go to, after hospital management, you go to project settings. In the project settings, you have service connection here, and then you go to user settings here, and down here you have your personal access token. So you will create a new token here. Let's call it AI remediation bot. We call it AI remediation bot. The expiration date, you can choose 60 days. It's okay. Let's say 60, or depending on you, me, I will just leave 60 days. Don't go for full access. I think for the code, read and write access are okay. You can just leave the rest like this and then create. So once you create your personal access token, make sure you keep it somewhere safe so you can use it later. You will need to generate a new token just like we did right now for your SonarCloud service connection and connect to your SonarCloud, so you can do the static code analysis, get the report, and then our AI script will analyze the report. I won't do that. It's easy to do. I know you can do it, and let's continue. So the third step will be to store secret in our Azure DevOps organization. But the best option if you are working for an organization is to store all secret in your Azure keyboard. But for the purpose of this video, we will store it here. So what you have to do is to open your organization. You open your organization. Then you go to pipeline library. You will create a new group. We will call it AI remediation secret. And then we will add two value. So me, I already have my Anthropic API key. I won't delete it. You can just write Anthropic API key and then copy paste the value here. The second one will be your Azure DevOps personal access token. The value is here. You copy and paste it here, and then you save. Step number 4, you will create another branch, the dev branch, because when your AI script will fix your vulnerability, you don't want the fix to go directly to your production. You need to review the code. That's why we will create another branch, dev, and then you will review in this branch before you merge it to your production. So we go to repository, branch here, And me, I already have another dev branch here and the main branch here. You just have to come here, new branch, and then you get just give it the name like dev and main, and then you just create it. I already have it, so I won't create it anymore. The step number 5 will be to generate your AI remediation script. If you are good in Python, you can do it yourself. If you are not good, you can just open Claude here. Let's say Claude AI. You'll just say generate a script, generate a script called, let's say, AI remediation for my CI CD pipeline. You'll provide your YAML file, make sure there's no secret existing in your YAML file, and that will be enough. As you can see here, I got my AI remediation .py files here. I will share that with you in the description. It's okay, you just download that AI remediation repository. You come here, you come to new folder. So let's call it my script. And here, let's say AI remediate.py, and then create. Once you create your code here, and you just copy and paste here, and then you commit your code. So after that, you can run your pipeline. You come here and then you go to run. You run, you have 4 stages here: build your Docker image, the static code analysis, vulnerability scanning, and AI vulnerability remediation. After we run your pipeline, as you can see here, we have the AI proposed vulnerability fixed. And we come to file. This is the proposed fix. You can read it, make sure your proposed fix. You have to read it and make sure that there is no dependency issue, that you can update safely. You have the update here, commit here. The only thing you have to do is to approve. And once you approve your code, I will click approve. Once you approve your code, you can come to your pull request, completed. You can see here, it's good now. We have AI proposed fix for vulnerabilities. Okay, now you can merge your code. This is all for today. We have fixed our vulnerabilities using AI. I hope you enjoyed that course and don't forget to subscribe. See you.